What's up, everybody? It's Dylan King here again with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am out in Baton Rouge today. Got a call about this house maybe a little bit over a week ago. I'm going to go in and inspect it, see what they got going on, because we're going to buy it fast with cash as is. All right, so I am inside that Baton Rouge house. As you can see, it is freshly framed. It's got some HVAC rough-ins going on here, right above me there. We've got some electrical rough-ins, some plumbing rough-ins going on. The homeowner, Bright Eye and Bushy Tail, came in with a contractor ready to renovate, make it a rental, and that contractor skipped town. That's difficult and really frustrating for me as a GC. This is why gives us a bad rap as general contractors or contractors in general, but it does happen, unfortunately. She had all her funds into this project. She has no way to recoup them, so she's stuck. So she either leaves the property like this, which she did not put this table and chairs in here, which means there's somebody coming in here at some point during the day, night, week, whatever, and kind of hanging out because it is a secure structure. It doesn't have any water coming in or anything like that. It's just gutted. So with that being said, too, that's another risk for her being on her property. So if you have a property like this or someone you know has a property like this, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com. Let us know about the property. We'll come out and inspect it, and we're going to buy it as fast as we can for cash and alleviate you of that stress.